Standard 8 Maths, Chapter 5, Expansion Formulae, Practice Set 5.4. Expand. So, again there will be a new formula where if you have a plus b plus c the whole square equals to, the expansion will be a square plus b square plus c square, then 2 into ab plus 2 into bc plus 2 into ac. So, this will be the expansion of this formula. So here this is our a, this is b and this is c. So, according to formula, a square plus b square plus c square and then 2 into a into b, then 2 into b into c and then 2 into a into c. So, a is what? 2p into b, then b into c and then a into c. So, expansion will be 2 to the 4, 4p square, q square, 5 5 is 25, 2 2 is 4, 4p into q, 2 5 is 10, 10q and then see 2 2 is 4, 4 5 is 20, 20p. So, this is the answer for the first sums. Now, second, using formula a square. So, a square, b square, c square, 2 into a into b. So, a into b plus 2 into b into c, then plus 2 into a into c. So, after n square, 2 2 is 4, n, 3 3 is 9, r, 2 2 is 4, m into n, 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 nr and then 2 3 is 6, 6 mr, 6 mr. So, this is the answer for this sums. Now, let us do third sums. So, a square. So, this is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into c. We have to take with sign. See, in c we have minus 5. So, with minus sign only we have to take the value over here. Also, here also minus 5 we have to take. Wherever we have sign, we have to use that. Then 2 into a into c. Now, 3 3 is 9, x square, 4 4 is 16, y square. Now, see minus, no? So, minus 5p into minus 5p, minus into minus plus, 5 5 is 25. So, this is 25p square. Then 4 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24, x into y. Now, here we have subtraction. So, 2 4 is 8, 8 5 is 40, plus into minus minus. So, minus 40 p y. Alphabetical order we will put. yp नहीं लिखेंगे py. But you won't get wrong अगर yp लिखे तो. Again this will not come because we again have minus sign. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30 and minus 30 px. So this is the answer. Fourth sums. So a square, this is 7m is the a, and then plus is a formula plus, but here b is minus 3n, so b square, then formula plus, formula में आने वाला plus, and then this minus 4k the whole square, and then plus 2 into a into b, then plus 2 into b into c, then plus 2 into a into c. So 3n into 4k and 7m into 4k. So 7 7s are 49 m square plus 3 3s are 9. So minus a, minus into minus plus, so 9 square, then 4 4s are 16 k square. Now see, here negative we have to take, I forgot, here also minus sign, and then this, ye bhi minus sign, this also minus sign. So here we have to be careful. First only, see, 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42, minus 42 mn. Then minus into minus plus, 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24, plus 24 nk, and then again there is minus here. So 7 4s are 28, 28 2s are 56, 56 mk. So this is the answer for the required sums. Now let's see next sums. Simplify. Now see, we have two terms, this and this. So first we will expand this term. So according to formula, a square plus b square plus c square, then 2 into a into b, then 2 into b into c, and then 2 into a into c. So this was the expansion of first term. Now we have to expand this as well. So this plus sign and expansion of this term. So यहाँ पे a square ये है, b square this, c square this, then 2 into a into b, 2 into a b into c, 2 into a into c. So a is x, b is this, then b c, and then a c, this. Now see, x square, then minus into minus, 2 2s are 4, 4y square, 3 3s are 9, then minus, see here in this term minus, so we have to take minus, 2 2s are 4xy, then again here we have single minus, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, minus 12y, then plus 2 3s are 6x, then now this term we have to open. So when we open this, we get x square plus 2 2s are 4, 4y square, 3 3s are 9, plus 9, then 2 2 is 4, 4xy, this term. Now here we have negative, so minus 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12y. Then here also we have negative sign, so 2 3 is 6, 6x. Now we have to see which are in opposite sign. So here plus 6 minus 6 opposite sign, and here minus 4xy plus 4xy opposite sign. Now whatever left, that we have to do addition. So x square and here x square, so that is 2x square. So 4y square, 4y square. So 4 plus 4, 8, 8y square. Then plus 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9, 18. And then we have minus 12, and here minus 12, minus minus plus 24 and y, but sign will come minus. So this is the answer to our second sums. Again similarly we have to do in same pattern. ये first term को as a formula we will write a square plus b is minus 4, so b square plus c is minus 2 square, then plus 2 into a into b, then plus 2 into b into c, then 2 into a into c. So here 3k minus 4r, then minus 4r minus 2m, then 3k and minus 2m. So this was the first term. Now here there is subtraction, so subtraction sign, and this second term now we will open. So second term is a square plus b square plus c is minus, so c square, then 2 into a, then into b plus 2 into b into c, then plus 2 into a into c. Okay. So now we will solve all this bracket. 3 3s are 9, so 9k square. So 4 4s are 16, then 16r square. 2 2s are 4, 4m square. So here we have one negative, so that negative will come. 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 and kr. Then again two negatives are there, so minus into minus plus, so this will be in plus. 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16 rm. Then here single negative, so 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12 km. So this was the expansion of this. Now second term, so here minus and again 9k square plus 16 r square plus 4m square. Here all is in positive sign. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 kr. Then here we have single negative, so 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16 rm. Then minus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12 km. Now what we have to do, this minus, so this bracket we have to open, so all this sign will get changed. So 9k square, this side will be as it is, यहाँ का जैसा है वैसा ही रहेगा. Then ये माइनस है ना, सो ऑल दिस साइन विल बिकम ऑपोजिट, सारे साइन ऑपोजिट हो जाएंगे. ये प्लस है, माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस, फिर माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस, माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस. सो जहाँ पे भी प्लस है दैट वी विल राइट इन माइनस, और जहाँ पे माइनस है दैट वी विल राइट इन प्लस. So now what we will do, opposite sign will get cancelled. So 9 and this, they are in opposite sign, so that means 0, 0. Now this, so what is left, this and this, so minus minus plus, so 48 minus 48 kr, and this 16 plus 16 32 rm. So this is the answer. Third sums, again we have to use formula for the first term, so that is a square plus b square, b is in negative, then c square, then 2 into a into b. Wherever we have negative we have to take minus sign. So 2 into b into c, then 2 into a into c. So ये first term का हो गया. Now this plus, and then we have to solve this one. So that again a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into c plus 2 into a into c. So now what we have to do, we have to solve this. So 7 sevens are 49 a square, 6 is the 36 plus 36 b square, 5 5 the 25 c square. Now see, here we have single negative sign, so minus will come. 7 6 are 42, 42 2s are 84 AB, again single negative, so 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60 BC, and then 7 5s are 35, 35 2s are 70 AC. Now similarly we will solve this bracket. So that will be 7 sevens are 49 a square plus 6 6 are 36 b square plus 5 5 are 25 c square, then plus 6 7 are 42, 42 2s are 84 ab, then plus sorry, here we have single negative sign, 5 6 are 30, 32 are 60 BC, then again single negative sign and 70 AC. Now see, we have plus, यहाँ पे plus है, तो जब plus होता है तो sign में changes नहीं होते, so directly we can do cancellation over here if there is any opposite number. So opposite, see this and this is in opposite, this and this is in opposite, nothing else, और कोई opposite में नहीं है. So 49 plus 49 98 a square, then 36 plus 36, 72 b square, then 25, 25, 50 c square, and then minus 60, 120 bc.